Hello, I'm here with Mark Daniels of Sika Corporation, and we just wanted to spend some time talking about business. So, Mark, welcome. Do you mind telling me a little bit about who Sika is?
Absolutely. Thank you, Mike, for this opportunity. We value our partnership with Austin Hardware. We've had just a tremendous amount of great success over the years. And, really from Sika is that we're a specialty chemicals manufacturer. We've been around for quite some time, since 1910. And we are a solutions provider into offering products into specialty chemicals into many different segments in construction and in manufacturing. So automotive, bus, truck, rail, specialty vehicle.
Very good. Very diverse company. Obviously, to sell to customers, you look for partnerships. But in that realm, why is it important to partner with someone like Austin Hardware?
Austin Hardware, one is that this is a great relationship. And really, when we go through and we look at, our challenges within Sika is that we are a solutions provider. We have a technical sales team, but we don't have the reach that an Austin has. And you have they're much closer to the customers. They're very aware of what's going on in the markets and in the local levels. What I love about Austin is the cultures are very similar between Sika and Austin. We're a solutions provider. We work hard. We're in a people business. And we have a good, both of us, we have a good understanding of our companies, of our strategies, but we really focus together on the customer. And we focus on what's the most important thing is solving the customer issues and being able to provide great service. And that's been the fantastic thing in our relationship with Austin.
We talk about customers and partnerships and relationships. Speaking of that, we're both dealing with COVID-19. How have you been able to handle that? And, how do we come together to help our customers even more? So both you personally and Sika.
It's been a challenge, to say the least. I can't say that it's been easy. It's been very hard. We've had to deal with a lot of issues. One is, of course, the challenge. We want to make sure that our customers and that our team are safe and their families are safe. So we care onto that. It's a challenge with all aspects of our business when it gets into supply chain, when it comes into getting materials in from overseas or our local productions. There's just many different areas that have been very difficult for us. And, really what this has allowed, we've seen, on the positive side, is that we're now working closer with our customers than we ever have before, because we're all dealing with issues. And in tough times, you can really tell, I think strong partnerships, the close communications that we have with the customer onto their understanding what their needs, whenever they went through, and most of our businesses are considered essential. They were up and running and in production, but the problem was, they had to deal with social distancing. How can you go through and make parts when you have to keep people further apart? There were some challenges that were quite unexpected there. But the good thing was we worked much closer with them. We understand their needs more. Likewise, that they understand us. And, we've been able to go through and solve problems and move things forward. And we're looking forward to getting through this COVID-19 pandemic. And we look forward to much greater times. And we're going to come out of this stronger than ever.
Agreed. Thank you for that. And, on that note, we both kind of have the same sales model. We go in and try and solve process issues with great chemistries and products and technologies like you have. Can you speak a little bit about, key applications and, just bus, truck, or rail that we partner up on?
First and foremost is we're a solutions provider. We go through and we listen to the customer. We understand what their pain points are. And we try to go through and give them a solution that actually makes them much more efficient and giving them a better product that makes them more competitive onto the market. But whenever I go through and I look for an example, I always keep my little bus here. When I go through and I look at, my business is focused on transportation. That's bus, truck, rail, specialty vehicle. But whenever I go through and I look at this bus, I see numerous applications that are on there. One is it gets into the direct glazing, glass bonding applications. We're very well known for that, giving solvent-free, environmentally friendly products and solutions. But we do everything else. Whenever it goes to eliminating nuts, bolts, and screws and go with structural bonded adhesives, bonding the roof frames together, and then also onto the interior part of a bus as well. So it's going with the hot melt technologies and everything that gives it more comfort and really a stronger appeal to the consumer.
Very good. Obviously, our customers are always trying to design with newer, lighter materials. And you just mentioned a few ranges. Is there any specific new chemistries that you're addressing as far as health and safety or just better applications?
We've got a lot of new technologies that are coming out, and we're really excited about a lot of new innovations that are coming in. Right now, our focus is with a technology that we call Power Cure systems. And the Power Cure, what it is, it's an elastic adhesive, environmentally friendly, that is designed really for fast processing, fast reaction time on there, building up high green strength, fast cure rates on there. And ultimately, what does this do? This means the customer can actually bond the material and move it out the door even faster, and creating efficiencies, and that's tremendous cost savings onto the customer. We also have a new range of products that we call our structural bonding adhesives. And it's not the traditional range that you've seen in the past. It's new technologies, it's new chemistries that have come out. And that's for any of the customers that are traditionally used nuts, bolts, rivets, and welding, and then displacing that with a chemically bonded system on there that's giving you a much stronger performance. So those are some of the innovations that we have just recently launched out in the market, but there is more yet to come.
Great. We're proud to be a partner and look forward to selling more of your products and helping our customers. And, thank you, Mark. And you can check out all of our products and Sika products on austinhardware.com. There's an easy product finder. You can do it by category, by color. So please join us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.